Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. To start, remove the back mud guards. This will make access easier to the upper holding screws on the shock absorber. To do this, take a spanner and remove the holding clips on the mud guard. Then, using a socket wrench and a 50mm socket, unscrew the lower screws on the shock absorber. Finish off the process by hand and remove the screw. With a socket wrench, a long extender and a 10mm socket, loosen and remove the 2 upper holding screws. You can now extract the shock absorber. On the workbench, you can now assemble and prepare your new shock absorber. Assemble the protection bellows on the foam plug, then put the whole set in place. Now put it all in place. Grease the threading on the shock absorber shaft. To tighten everything in place, take a 30mm spanner and a small adjustable spanner. Stop the rotation of the shaft with the adjustable spanner, then firmly tighten the lock nut with the spanner. Put the upper part of the shock absorber in place. Then tighten the screws with a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket. Put the lower part of the shock absorber in place. Lever it in with a large flathead screwdriver to line up the holding hole and the shock absorber. Insert the screw and fix it in place with a socket wrench. Put the mudguard back on, taking care to put back in all the clips. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you can put the wheels back on your vehicle, paying careful attention to grease the stud bolts well. Put the car back on the ground and fix the wheels in place correctly. Operation completed.